Hey guys, it's me, Shrekanichi Kinda Awesome and doing Teen Titans Go Sucks here again, and today I'm gonna tell you all of my reasons of why I love Nature Cat. Remember, this is just my opinion, and if you hate or dislike the show, I respect your opinion. Remember, this is just my opinion. We all have different opinions, so if you don't like this show, that's fine. That's fine. I respect your opinion. I'm gonna tell you all my reasons why I like this show. Starting right now. First off, look at the animation in Nature Cat. I think this has got to be one of the greatest animation I've ever seen. The greatest hand-drawn animation ever. Like really, the animation's so creative and so colorful and so beautiful to look at. I mean, really. The director who made this was very creative with the animation. Second, the characters. The characters are so adorable. You got Nature Cat, who's awesome, and he's cool as well, and he likes to explore nature, and he likes to teach kids about nature and all those stuff, and he helps other animals as well. Next you got Hal, who's so cute and adorable, and he's funny, and he's a loyal friend as well. He's such a cute dog, just like Snoopy. I wish I could just hug Hal. He's so Hal is the most adorable character ever. He has a really cheerful and friendly personality as well. That character has Hal is the most cheerful person out of all of the other ones. Next, yeah, and he's voiced by Bobby Moynihan, who did the same voice as Panda from We Bare Bears, which that's cool. Next we got Daisy the bunny. She's cute and she's very smart. She uses her phone and she's very smart at everything and she knows a lot. She's just as smart as Lisa Loud from the Loud House. That's how smart Daisy is. She's a smart bunny and she's sweet and innocent too, and she cares about her friends as well. And Squeaks is a mouse that isn't afraid to get down and dirty, and she's cool as well. And she's a very good mouse, just like Minnie Mouse and Mickey Mouse. But the character I hate from this show is Ronald. I hate Ronald so much. He's a Garfield wannabe. And he's a rip-off to Garfield as well. Even though I like Garfield, but still. Ronald is the only character I hate from this show. The rest of the characters are good. Maybe Bad Dog Bart is a bad character too as well. But Ronald, I can't stand him. Plus, Ronald is so annoying. And I can't believe he used to be voiced by Kenan Thompson as well. Yeah. The rest of the characters are good except for Ronald and Bad Dog Bart. So yeah. Next you got the voice acting. You got Taran Killam, Kate Micucci, Bobby Moynihan, and Kate McKinnon. Taran Killam does the voice of Nature Cat and he does a great job. So does Kate Micucci, who does the voice of Daisy. And Bobby Moynihan does Hal, like I said earlier. And Kate McKinnon, she's perfect as Squeaks as well. All of the characters sounded perfect and it fits their personalities as well. And they are also the same cast as Saturday Night Live, which I cannot believe that as well. I heard good things. I heard good things about Saturday Night Live, but I'll have to watch it really soon. And now let's talk about the episodes. The episodes is most likely the same. It teaches kids all about nature and they try to help other animals and stuff, and I find it to be really interesting and really cool. And it actually and it actually works for a kids show as well. It actually really works. Not to mention, this is the only PBS kids show I actually like. Because none of the PBS kids shows I like are than this is the only PBS kids show I like, Nature Cat. The rest I just hate. I hate Maya and Miguel. I hate Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. I hate Pinkalicious and Peterific. It's a ripoff of the Fairly Odd Parents. And the main characters are rip off the Star Butterfly and the Disney Princesses. I hate Super Y, which is a rip off of Disney. All those PBS kids shows I hate, including Splash and Bubbles, and Barney and Teletubbies. But this is awesome. Nature Cat gets a thumbs up for me. So yeah. Another thing is the theme song. The theme song is so catchy and so cool. Oh my god. This has got to be one of the best theme songs ever. And not only that, just like 64 Zoolaine, I like both of these animal shows because I love animals and some animals are really cool and some animals are really cute. Yeah, the only yeah, so not to mention 64 Zoolaine is the only noggin show I like, especially nowadays. Yeah, that's the only two kid shows I actually like. Because they are most likely based on animals. And I like to watch these animal shows. Because I find them to be pretty cute. And the characters' moves in this show are it's really graceful. and the way they talk and sing and show their emotions is just, it's really flexible. Just everything about the show is really flexible. I cannot believe I used to be neutral over this show. Yeah, I usually was neutral over this show, but nowadays, nowadays, I love this show. Because the more I thought about this show, the more I liked this show ever since then. And ever since then, I've always liked Nature Cat, and I still do. I mean, the characters are great, the episodes are brilliant, the theme song is catchy, the animation is admirable. Just, this is the best PBS Kids show ever. And not to mention, I hope it gets a theatrical movie release, because a good show like this and Star vs. Forces of Evil both deserve a theatrical movie release. And both of these films will do really well at the box office, and hopefully it will get 100% on Rotten Tomatoes as well. And it will, hopefully it will become huge successes as well. I would have liked it better if we got a Nature Cat film rather than the stupid Dora the Explorer movie, which comes out next year. I don't know what the hell Paramount was thinking, but whatever Paramount came up with, it was not good at all. I think I know one person who's going to agree with me on this video, and that's Andrew Nyantiki. Again, if you don't like this show, that's totally fine. That's totally fine. I respect your opinion. But if you like this show, then I agree. I've never seen a show this great. A kid show this great as this, and 64 Zoom Lane as well. And I hope it continues airing new episodes as well, and I hope it gets a theatrical movie release as well. Because it's the best show ever so far to be airing on TV. So yeah. So yeah. Nature Cat's the best show ever. And it gets a 10 out of 10, 5 out of 5, and 1,000 out of 1,000. I mean, this is a great show ever. And the characters are adorable as well, except for Ronald. And Bad Dog Bart as well. So yeah, those are my reasons why I love Nature Cat. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. And thanks for watching this video. If you're a Nature Cat fan, like I am, please click the like button. And if you want to see more videos from me, let me know, and I'll try to do them as soon as I could before Thanksgiving and Christmas comes. But don't worry, I'll be back on January 2019. I'm just not going to be around for Thanksgiving and Christmas. because I'm gonna be really busy on those 2 holidays, so I won't be available in the end of November and December, the beginning of December. But I'll possibly be back in the end of December. Who knows? So yeah, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to me. Oh, and not to mention the directors, writers, producers, and voice cast were all professional as well. I forgot to mention that. And they did a fantastic job with everything. And they worked so hard with the show. It turned out to be a great show. Sorry about that. Anyways, and yeah, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to me. And yeah, this is Shrek Ninja Kinda Awesome and doing Teen Titans Go Sucks you again. And I'll see you guys next time on my next video. And I'll see you guys later. This is me signing off, and peace out, y'all.